Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a review of Synder. Synder, as of 2025, is a very powerful and specialized accounting automation tool, and it continues to be a powerful and highly specialized accounting automation tool designed to streamline bookkeeping for e-commerce businesses and online sellers. It is not a standalone accounting platform like Quickbooks or Xero, but rather a crucial add-on that acts as a bridge between your sales channels and your accounting software. Now, the key features and strengths are: 1. Automation. That is the primary strength, the ability to automate the import of sales data. It is an automation wizard for e-commerce, handling complex data points like sales, fees, taxes, and refunds from platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Stripe, and PayPal, which saves users countless hours of manual data entry. And it also has second advantage, which is integration. It's a major selling point in its wide range of integrations. This is a strength. It connects with over 30 e-commerce platforms and payment gateways, ensuring that businesses with multiple online sales channels can centralize all their transaction data in one place. The third feature or strength is detailed data sync. Unlike some alternatives that only sync summary data, Synder is known for its ability to sync detailed line item data. This is essential for accurate inventory tracking, GAAP compliant revenue recognition, and generating detailed reports for tax purposes. The next feature is customer support. User reviews in 2025 constantly praise Sydney's customer support. Many mention responsive and helpful assistance through chat, phone, and even personalized onboarding sessions. Next feature is ease of use. For a specific function, Synder is considered intuitive and user-friendly. Once the initial setup is complete, it runs in the background, making the bookkeeping process feel almost effortless. Now let's look at the areas for consideration. Pricing. Synder pricing is based on the number of transactions, which can become expensive for businesses with high sales volumes. It's an additional cost on top of your primary accounting software subscription. The second thing to consider is that it's not a standalone platform. Don't forget, Synder is not a standalone platform. It's not a full accounting suite. It is a tool that works on other platforms such as Quickbooks or Xero to enhance its e-commerce capabilities. Next thing to consider is the learning curve. While it's generally easy for a small purpose, some users have noted a slight learning curve during the initial setup, especially when dealing with complex integrations and rules. So in conclusion, Synder remains a top-tier choice for e-commerce businesses and accountants who are looking to automate their own online sales bookkeeping. A specialized focus on detailed data syncing, wide range of integrations, and powerful automation features makes it an invaluable tool for ensuring accuracy and saving time. While it's an additional expense, the time and effort it saves can be a significant return on investment for businesses with a high volume of online transactions. Hope you found this review helpful.